How to update Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, go ahead and open up your App Store in your mobile device. Once you open App Store, in the search bar, go ahead and search for Instagram. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your Instagram application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then see if you have any new features in your Instagram. But if you don't see any new features in your Instagram even after updating it, simply tap on your settings application, scroll below and then tap on general. From here, tap on iPhone storage. Now inside iPhone storage, simply search for Instagram and then tap onto it. Now in this page, you wanna go ahead and tap on upload app and then tap on upload app again. Offloading the application, it will help you to free up the storage used by Instagram and will also help you to clear the cache. Doing this step won't block Instagram from having new features. Now once it is offloaded, simply tap on a reinstall app again. And once the Instagram application is reinstalled in your device, you will then be able to see new features if it is available. And that is how to update Instagram. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.